حي على
देखिए, चूंकि तलबा को यहाँ इंग्लिश और मैथ वगैरह भी पढ़ाया जाता है, इसलिए एक तकरीर इंग्लिश में एग्जाम्पल के तौर पर आप लोगों के सामने पेश किया जा रहा है, जिसको बयान करने वाले ज़ैद सगीर अहमद हैं। वो आए और अपनी तकरीर इंग्लिश ज़बान में पेश करें।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम। Respected judges, members, teachers and all my dear friends and their relatives, today on this occasion I would like to give a speech on an individual responsibility in Islam, the concept and do not bear the burden of another and not to inherit the guilt is an important teaching in Islam that emphasizes individual responsibility and accountability for one's own actions. This concept is highlighted in several verses of the Quran, which stress the idea that each person is responsible for their own deeds and will be held accountable for them on the day of judgment. One of the most prominent verses that emphasizes this concept is found in Surah Al-An'am, where Allah says, "And no bearer of burdens will bear the burden of another, and if a heavily laden soul calls another to carry some of its load, nothing of it will be carried, even if he should be a close relative. You can only warn those who fear their Lord unseen and have established prayer, and whoever purifies himself only purifies himself for the benefit of his soul, and to Allah is the final destination." Quran 35 and 18. This verse makes it clear that each person is responsible for their and will be held accountable. This verse makes it clear that each person is responsible for their own actions and cannot bear the burden of someone else's sins, even if a close relative or friend asks us to carry some of their burden must bear their own load. Similarly, in Surah Al-Isra, Allah says, "And we have made every man's actions to cling to his own neck, and we shall bring forth for him on the day of resurrection a book which he will wide open. It will be said to him, read your book, sufficient is your own soul this day to make out an account." No one can escape the consequences of their deeds, and each person must face their own judgment. Assalamu alaikum.